let me continue with the process of recycling of paper. As a nation, we get to 12.5 million of tons of paper each year. Recycling paper reduces energy and carbon dioxide and diverts paper waste from landfill for it drops and produces greenhouse gases. To start the recycling process, the papers are collected, sorted, and ungraded. At the paper mill, it's poured in a tank containing chemicals in water which separates the fibers. It is screens to filter out paper, plates, CDs, and other debris. And then it is cleaned by being spun in a cone-shaped container.
There are lightning agents added as required and mixture with 99% water and 1% of fiber is then pumped onto the paper machine. It is passed over a vibrating screen which removes most of the water. The paper passes through a series of large heated rollers until the correct moisture content in thickness is achieved and is written into the huge rolls. Large rolls are then divided into small reels, packed and stored until they dispatch to the citizens.
How plastics are recycled? First, plastics are sorted. Plastics are sorted either manually or automatically by machine to ensure all the contaminants are removed from the plastics. Plastics are sorted based on the types of plastics. Then plastics are shredded, then washed, melted. Then plastics are reformed into pellets, which can later be used to form new chairs, toys, picnic bench, or more plastics.
We are going to talk about the type of the products that we can, type of the plastic product that we can use to produce a table chair or plastic chair. So the product that we can use from my opinion is that we can use the plastic bottles, since most of us are using the drinking water bottles which is in the form of plastic. So we can collect that whole plastic and aggregate into this category, which means small to big, and then pass to the factory for them to mash it up and make a new table chair or plastic chair. Besides that, we also can use Tupperware, plastic Tupperwares, or any other containers that is in the form of plastic to produce this. Thank you.
Okay, we are going to discuss about the recycling of aluminium. So the process would be start with the consumer throws aluminium cans and foil into a recycle bin, and the second step would be the aluminium is then collected and taken to a treatment plant. Followed by, in the treatment plant, the aluminium is sorted and cleaned ready for reprocessing. It then goes through remelt process and turns into molten aluminium. This removes the coatings and inks that may be present on the aluminium.
Okay, these blocks are called egots. Egots consists of 1.6 million cans. Okay, this egot will be sent into mill where they will be rolled to make it more flexible and stronger. Then it will be made into cans or wrapping, which will be sent into shop and to turn it into products. The end.
Hi, I'm going to talk about wood as one of our recycling item. How many of us know that wood is recyclable? Actually, what normal people will tend to do, once their wood material is broken, for example their table, once it is broken, they will just throw it away. The thrown wood material will either be being burnt or degraded chemically. We actually can crush the wood material and mix it with other material to form new kind of polymer. This is one way to recycle wood and form a useful material. That's all from me.
Advantages of recycling wood or known as timber and the process involved in the industry. So first of all, there are many advantages of recycling wood. So through recycling process, we have to preserve our forest by reducing the need of virgin timber. So, and the second one is we can reduce the energy consumption because when a large amount of energy is consumed when processing the raw materials at the time of manufacture. The third one is we can reduce the pollution, and we can also reduces global warming. So that's all. And the recycling process involved in industry is, first of all, the clamp, bowls and sinks are removed from the waste wood, and the waste wood or used recycled paper is crushed into wood chips. into sizes, and through magnetic separation and metal detection step, the nails, staples, and stainless steels and other polymers are removed. And fourth one, the wood chips are further crushed into smaller chips. And the last one is the used recycled wood crushed into wood chips is processed by a defibrillator into a wood fiber. So that's all. Thank you.